embracing the digital shift and why it's not too late for you. I'm I was 73 years old when I learned how to run a digital business from my phone. You are not too late. I didn't grow up with smartphones or social media or even the idea that I could make money without leaving my house. So, if you're intimidated by the word online business, you're not alone. I come from the Wilma Flintstone era, but here's the truth. It's never been more accessible than it is right now. You don't need to be tech savvy. I'm not at all. You need to be teachable, coachable, and if you've ever learned how to use a microwave or update your phone, you can learn this. It's easy peasy. What changed for me wasn't the tools, it was the community, real mentors, step by step training, support I never had in my real estate business ever. It's amazing. Digital business isn't just a trend, it's a movement, one where women, parents, retirees, and those starting over finally have a shot at freedom and a good income too. Forget everything you think you need. You don't need followers and you don't need to be an expert. I'm not. You just need someone to show you the path. Comment info if you're ready to see how simple it really can be. Previously, breaking free from the overwhelm, and my next mini series video to the conclusion of this one, empowering others through legacy building. I hope you enjoyed my puppy too.